Hi honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafters, my friends, we're gonna make these mini wood bead garland. I love how this turned out. Thank God for the video that I found, because that was the only reason why I made these. If I couldn't find a video that shows me a simple way on coloring these beads, I probably would have not made this video. But I did. I'm making it, and I want to show you how I made this. The very first thing that you need to do is get yourself some wooden beads. I have here some wooden beads that I had a while. They're actually this color, which is wood, like, you know, regular color, regular wood color, and I colored it this really vibrant blue color. And what I did is I also sprinkle a little bit of some blue glitter to the blue one, and that's what I got there. That's how I got these beads this color. Now I have to give credit where credit is due. I was trying to figure out a way to color these beads in a very simple, easy way. You guys know me. When things start getting complicated, I get discouraged, and there's just no way that I would do it. So I started kind of trying to figure out if I could find a way to color these beads in a simple and fast, you know, way of doing it. I came across this video. I will link the video at the bottom. I don't remember what her name is, but I will link the video that I came across at the bottom of this video, and she shows us a way of coloring these beads in a very quick and fast way, where you can get a whole bunch of beads all colored at once. It's a very simple technique. You could just put the acrylic paint in a Tupperware. You sprinkle a little bit of water, and then that's how you're able to color in these beads in a very fast and effective way. So make sure you go and check out her video. I will link it at the bottom, and she explains it in a very easy and understandable way, and she will give you more details on how to color these beads in a very simple and fast way. I also have her saved in my computer because I want to go back and see what other projects she makes, because so far I like what she does. So that's what I did with the beads. Okay, then I went in and I colored my my little what I'm doing here, my, what is it called, anchor. I always forget what this is called. I colored it in. I did it two ways. I colored it in with the watercolor, and I also colored it in with this blue acrylic paint. So I actually have both of them, some with acrylic, some with the watercolor. This one here is with the paint, and this one here is with the watercolor. So you can tell a little bit of the difference, as you can see there. You know, you could choose whatever suits you better, I guess. Now, the colors that I'm using for my beads, I use this blue color from Craft Smart. I will link everything at the bottom, the color and everything. For the anchors that I use the acrylic paint, I use this beautiful French blue color that I'm also going to link at the bottom. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put this together. I have here one that I already have kind of started, and I'm going to show you guys how to put the beads together and how to decorate them. So what I use for each one of these anchors, I use 3 blue, and I use 3 regular color. So I kind of alternate them a little bit, right? I use here this twine from the Dollar Tree. And what I did here is, and you can, obviously, you know, you don't have to do this way, but you can always do it the way that you do it if you want. What is that? Is that like a bug? It's a spider. A spider. Okay, I don't want to kill it. Hold on, guys. Let me bring the spider to the outside. Hold on. Okay, I tried to save her, but I don't know where she went. I hope she's not crawling on top of me. All right, I don't know where she went. I tried to save her. At least she's not dead. Okay, anyway, so what? A spider? How is that even possible? Okay, I don't know. Okay, anyway, so have 3 here, 3 blues and 3 colors. I'm going to use my twine and I'm going to make a little knot in here. All right, I'm just gonna make a knot. I used to be scared of bugs, and I used to be freaked out. If I would have seen that spider like a few years ago, literally I would have dropped the camera. I would have had a fit. I would have called my husband. It would have been a nightmare. But I don't know, I kind of don't feel that way anymore about certain bugs. You notice I use certain bugs, right? All right, so now that I have my little knot there, I'm going to start adding my little beads. Yes. All right, so with this one, I started the tan. And I'm gonna cut off this. If you manage to put this through the bead, that's great. I won't not be able to do that, so I'm gonna cut this off at the end, okay? So I have the tan, well, the regular natural color. I'm going to add the blue one next. And then I'm going to add the tan. I'm just going to alternate these. And you can use as many beads as you want. You don't have to specifically use this amount of beads. I'm doing like a little, oh, see, some of these little beads, the one end is open, but the other end is not. So keep that in mind, okay? That's okay, just grab another one. I'm making this little mini little garland for the office, so it's not gonna be like a huge garland, but you can make this as long as you want. Okay, I'm gonna add the last one. All right, and now we kind of have this put together. You see that? Kind of looks like something like this. So we're going to make a knot. All right, let's see here. How did I do this? So we're going to fold this over, make like a really big hook like this, and we're going to make a knot. All right, so I'm going to knot this over like this. And I'm going to try to create a really gigantic little knot as close as I can to my beads. Okay. And there you have it. See that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this part off. I'm going to cut this part off. And that's how you create this really fun little wooden garland, guys. You see that? Now, I didn't do the back end of my anchor. You could if you want to. I left it like that because this is going to be hung up in the wall. And that doesn't really bother me. But if you think about it, you can actually alternate this, and you can actually keep it this way if you want to, which is also a nice idea. So the last thing that I did with my beautiful little mini garland is I added a cute little bow, as you can see here. So I have my bow right here already made. Oh, actually I have it here. And I'm just going to add a nice little glue amount to my bow, and I'm going to glue down my bow to my anchor, and that's it, and we're done. Boom. And that's it. Voila. That is how we created these beautiful little garlands. I love them. I love them. So simple, right? Look at that. How pretty are these? I love them. They're so pretty. I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make these, and I hope that this gave you some ideas. Make sure that you guys go into the link that I'm going to put at the bottom to show you how to paint these really fun beads. And make sure that you thumbs up and you subscribe, my loves. I love you all. I hope that this video was helpful, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, honey bunnies.